you do need to prove intent beyond reasonable doubt to prove murder.
Motive, which is really interesting. They have not tried to identify one. There doesn't seem to be an argument about one. How is that going to affect the trial?
I found that really interesting too. And you don't need motive to prove murder. And the prosecution has said we're not even going to offer one up. But often it's helpful to inform intent. And you do need to prove intent beyond reasonable doubt to prove murder. So 12 jurors will have to unanimously agree, beyond reasonable doubt, that she deliberately poisoned her in-laws. And they'll have to do this after the bulk of the evidence so far, and there will be more. But the bulk of the evidence has been that she loved them, that she loved her in-laws. We have heard some texts that she was frustrated at them trying to get involved, in the to do with school fees and things like that. But most of the evidence is she loved them. So intent is something that's going to be a big issue at this trial. The prosecution, of course, is alleging she did intend to kill them. And it says that she did incriminating things after the lunch, like dumped the dehydrator at a tip and lied to police. The defence, however, says it was a terrible accident, that it was a tragedy. And Colin Mandy, her defence barrister, Colin Mandy, SC, put an interesting question to the jury. He said, could she have panicked? If you've cooked a meal and 3 people end up dead, might you behave in a way that's a bit odd? Or might you lie? Might you panic?